How to send money through Zelle with Discover Bank. If you want to send money via Zelle with Discover, you need to first enroll in Zelle through the Discover online banking portal or mobile app. So to do that, you can simply go ahead and then launch the Discover application over here. Then you have to simply log into your Discover mobile banking account by tap the login button and entering your user ID and password, then tapping on login. From there, just navigate to Zelle section, typically found under transfers or send money. Follow the enrollment prompts to link your Discover account to Zelle. Once you've linked it and once you've enrolled, you can find Zelle within the Discover app or online banking. Then select Send Money. Enter the recipient's email address or US mobile phone number. Enter the amount you wish to send. Add an optional note and review the details and confirm the transaction by hitting Send. And that's all it takes for us to send money through Zelle with Discover Bank. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.